You know, there is a verse in the Quran here. Let me read that verse for you. Very interesting verse. Surah Baqarah. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Surah Baqarah, chapter 2, verse 274. Chapter 2, 274. Alladhina yunfiquna amwalahum bil-layli wan-nahar sirran wa alaniya falahum ajruhum inda rabbihim fala khawfun alayhim wala hum yahzanun. You know what Allah is saying? Allah is saying those people who spend out of what Allah has given to them in the night, in the day, publicly, secretly, publicly or secretly. Allah is saying, فَلَهُمْ أَجْرُهُمْ إِنْدَ رَبِّهِمْ. Their reward is with Allah, not even mankind. You see, a lot of times people give things in this world with the hope that man will be happy with us. You know, public will be happy with us. People will be happy with us. Organizations will be happy with us. As though the rewards lies in the hands of the organizations. As though the rewards lies in the hands of the public. Allah is saying the reward lies in the hands of Allah. Which is so much more greater. Meaning that when we give for the sake of Allah. So yes, we know that if a mother delivers a baby on the morning of Eid, you should give your zakatul fit. But if you are a generous Muslim, if you know she has a baby in your stomach, it may not be first or wajib to give zakatul fit on that baby, but as a generous Muslim, you can give it. Yeah, that's what means generosity. You don't have to do accountability. Allah gives us beyond hisab and kitab, beyond accountability. If Allah was to give us rewards and give us money and success based on what we do, we would have nothing. Zero. Zero, 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 zero. But Allah just gives us out of His mercy. Some of the fuqaha have said that when we give zakat and we give zakatul fit and sadqatul fit, it's all a form of shukr to Allah. What? Thanks to Allah. That Allah has blessed me, Allah, with life in this Ramadan. Allahu Akbar. Allah has blessed me with health in this Ramadan. That Allah has blessed us to be able to fast in this Ramadan. Allah has blessed us with the means to be able to give charity in Ramadan. So out of thanks to Allah we give. You see, we got to understand the whole mathematics of this. We don't give because people want. We give because Allah gave us. We give because it's thanks to Allah that we are alive.